Have you ever felt like managing money is overwhelming? Like you're always playing catch up instead of making progress? What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could take control of your finances and start building a life of true financial freedom? Imagine this. Someone struggling to save even $100 a month suddenly uncovers a way to save $300, invest smarter, and feel more in control, all in just a month. That's the power of small, intentional steps. In today's content, I'm going to walk you through 7 smart money moves that you can repeat every 30 days. Each one is designed to make a real impact on your financial health, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your wealth-building journey. By the end, you'll have a simple yet powerful plan that turns financial stress into financial success. Time to unpack. The first step to mastering your finances is understanding exactly where your money is going. Most people don't realize how small, unnoticed expenses add up over time. Let me share a story. A young professional, Lisa, decided to take a closer look at her bank statements after feeling like she never had enough money to save. Within minutes, she discovered she was paying $15 a month for a streaming service she hadn't used in over a year and $25 for a gym membership she hadn't set foot in. That's $480 a year, money that could have been building her emergency fund. Here's what you need to do. Pull out your last month's statements and categorize every expense into needs, wants, and leaks. Needs are essentials like rent and groceries. Wants are discretionary expenses like dining out or entertainment. Leaks are those subscriptions, fees, or impulsive purchases you didn't even realize were there. By identifying and cutting just $100 worth of leaks every month, you could save $200 annually. Better yet, imagine investing that money in an index fund earning 8% annually. Over 10 years, you'd have over 17,000 just by auditing your expenses regularly. Now that you've cleared the leaks, let's talk about setting goals for those extra savings. Now that you've identified those money leaks, it's time to put that extra cash to work. Setting a clear financial goal every month is like giving your money a mission. Let me tell you about David, a recent college graduate who wanted to pay off his $3,000 credit card debt. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the total amount, he broke it down into monthly chunks. His goal was simple: pay off $500 every month. By staying consistent, he was debt-free in just 6 months. Here's the secret: make your goals specific, measurable, and achievable. Instead of saying, "I'll save more money," set a goal like, "I'll save $300 for my emergency fund this month." Whether it's saving, investing, or paying down debt, a monthly goal keeps you focused and motivated. Think of your financial goals like stepping stones. Each one brings you closer to larger milestones, like buying a home, retiring early, or starting a business. The key is consistency. Small wins compound over time. So, what's your financial mission this month? Write it down and let's keep moving. The next step is all about ensuring you prioritize yourself first, paying yourself first. Now that you've set your monthly financial goal, it's time to ensure you hit it by following one of the most powerful principles of wealth building: pay yourself first. This concept is simple but transformative. Instead of saving what's left over after expenses, prioritize saving and investing before anything else. Take Sarah, for example. She struggled with saving until she automated a $200 transfer to her investment account every payday. At first, she worried it might feel restrictive, but instead it felt empowering. That small automatic step allowed her to build a $10,000 portfolio in just a few years. Here's how you can do it. Log into your banking app today and set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account. Whether it's $50 or $500, treat it like a non-negotiable bill you owe your future self. This simple habit ensures you consistently grow your wealth without even thinking about it. The best part? Paying yourself first takes away the guesswork and protects you from overspending. It's the foundation of financial security and independence. Paying yourself first is a strong start, but building wealth requires making your money work for you. That's where reviewing and rebalancing your investments comes in. Think of your investment portfolio like a car. It needs regular maintenance to keep running smoothly. Take Ryan, a young investor who started with a balanced portfolio of 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Over time, the stock market soared, and his portfolio shifted to 75% stocks, increasing his risk. By rebalancing back to his original allocation, he protected himself from potential losses during a market downturn. Here's your action step. Every 30 days, set aside time to review your portfolio. Check your asset allocation to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If one asset class has grown too much, sell some and reinvest in underweighted areas. For beginners, many brokerages offer tools to automate rebalancing. The positive impact? Regular rebalancing not only minimizes risk, but also ensures you're maximizing growth opportunities. It keeps your wealth-building strategy focused and intentional. Building wealth isn't just about saving and investing. It's about continuously growing your financial knowledge. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll recognize. Let me share a story about Emily, who decided to learn the basics of real estate investing. She started small, attending webinars and reading books during her evening. Within a year, she purchased her first rental property, which now generates $800 in passive income every month. Your action step this month is to choose one financial skill to master. It could be understanding how to analyze stocks, learning the tax benefits of different retirement accounts, or even diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Pick a focus that aligns with your financial goal. The beauty of this step is that it compounds over time. Each new skill you learn gives you a deeper understanding of how to make, save, and grow your money. More importantly, it builds confidence in your ability to navigate any financial situation. So, what will you learn this month? Once you decide, commit to taking action, whether it's reading a book, taking a course, or watching expert content. Now, let's talk about another critical financial move: building and reinforcing your emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail even the best financial plans, which is why having an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Let me introduce you to Alex, a freelance graphic designer. When his laptop broke unexpectedly, he avoided going into debt by using his emergency fund to replace it. That single move saved him from paying high-interest credit card fees and kept his business running smoothly. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses set aside. If that seems overwhelming, start small. Focus on saving $1,000 as a buffer for emergencies like car repairs or medical bills. Automate a portion of your income into a separate account every month until you reach your goal. The peace of mind that comes from having an emergency fund is priceless. It protects you from financial stress and gives you the freedom to focus on your long-term goal. Plus, it prevents setbacks that can interrupt your wealth-building momentum. This month, prioritize your safety net. Even if it's just $50 at a time, every dollar moves you closer to financial security. Now let's shift our focus to creating opportunities for growth by evaluating and optimizing your income stream. Diversifying your income is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Relying on a single source of income is risky, but creating multiple streams can provide security and accelerate your path to wealth. Let's take the story of Mia, a teacher who started a side hustle tutoring students online. What began as a way to make an extra $300 a month turned into a business earning $2,000 monthly within a year. That extra income allowed her to pay off debt and start investing aggressively. This month, analyze your income sources. Ask yourself, can I negotiate a raise at work? Are there skills I can monetize, like freelancing, consulting, or selling products online? Passive income opportunities, like dividend-paying stocks or creating digital products, are also worth exploring. The positive impact of diversifying your income is enormous. It not only builds financial resilience, but also creates opportunities for faster wealth accumulation. You're no longer limited by a single paycheck, and you have the freedom to invest more and enjoy life's experiences without financial stress. Your action step: brainstorm 3 potential income streams. Pick one and take the first step this week. Let's wrap this up with a final plan to bring all these strategies together. Now that you've learned the 7 smart money moves to make every 30 days, it's time to put everything into action. Remember, consistency is key. By auditing your expenses, setting clear goals, paying yourself first, rebalancing your investments, mastering new financial skills, reinforcing your emergency fund, and diversifying your income stream, you're laying a solid foundation for financial freedom. But the real magic happens when you take these strategies and make them a part of your everyday life. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's the result of small, deliberate actions over time. So make a plan, take action today, and keep showing up month after month. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Start today, and in 30 days, you'll be amazed at the progress you've made. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment below with your first financial goal this month and join the community of like-minded individuals committed to growing their wealth. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep building your future.